take it out to the truck. 317.87 at 30.5 miles per hour. He's a long ways from home. Boy, there's a lot of concrete between here and Sharpsburg exit of Interstate 81. Ooh, that sounds like a turbocharger issue, doesn't it? I hope that smooths out. It's not smoothing out. The helmet's coming off. That's a disappointing 100.65 feet. Now he can back up if he wants to, but I don't know if he can. No. He is shaking his head at me. Fans, would you kindly give him a tough luck round of applause? He's a nice guy a long ways from home, and he's got a broken tractor at 100.65 feet. This one's called Hooked on Red. Case IH 300. Let's see if it can go 300 feet. His tractor just about perfect, didn't he? How about a nice hand for Ron Belknap? This is Paul Hoke on the Screaming Eagle. He was pumping the brakes, but I think the throttle, I saw him working the throttle. I don't know if the throttle cable broke. Green flag is out for Adam Diaz from Montrose. How about a hand for him, folks? The 1066 called Meredith's Agitator. Looks like that might be Jamie Hall driving. Run for that tractor. Jamie Hall does a lot of driving on there, and driving of the semi as well. Rolling Thunder is definitely a tough tractor. He's pulled with Rick Fight, Interstate, East Coast, you name it. This thing is tough. How about a hand for the homeboy? 28 miles an hour. Last year's Mod Turbo Points champion. Let's see what he can do here tonight. East Coast Light Pro Stock. Way out there. How about a nice hand for Jeff Michelacci? I've seen this guy pull as many as 3 tractors in the same class. I mean, just run from one to the other. And unfortunately, I believe that's what he's going to have to do here tonight. He's going to get off this tractor, come around and jump on double OZ. This one was out here first. He was going to be first and last puller in this class. But there's this little green guy follows people around. His name's Murphy. And Murphy's Law said it would be too easy for him to be first and last, so now he's going to be back to back. Oh boy, a little flutter there at the end, not good, but how about a nice hand for Vern Zerby? That thing wasn't broken. It's going 27.4 miles per hour, and it went 30 the first time. Green's out now for double OZ. To wait, set perfect on that tractor, pick the front end up a little bit, just carried it the whole way down the track at 29.